Sup, Fear Knight here, ready to make another video. Now, this is the Hasbro Wave 3 ranking. I did rank 2 and 1. Wave 2 and 1. Something I should mention is that I actually already recorded this video, but I forgot to turn the mic on. And the tier list is very picky with putting everything back again. So, I'm gonna just be leaving them on the tiers where they are. They're all in their proper tiers, don't worry. I'm just gonna explain why which one is in which and introduce them. So first I'll just start with introducing them. You have Wand Wizard 570 Disc Ball. This yellow one at the top, we're going top to bottom. Then you have Buster Dran 160 XL. You have the Gale Wyvern 360 Taper and Sword Dran 380 Ball Dual Pack. You have Cowl Sphinx 980 Gear Needle. Arrow Wizard 480 Gear Ball, and the Beat Tyranno 470 Quake, and Knife Shinobi 480 High Needle Dual Pack. So yeah, I'm just going to leave them here and explain why which one is which. We're going to start with the never buys, since those are the easiest to get over with. I'll first start with Cowl Sphinx 980 Gear Needle, the first one in the never buy. Defense type. Cowl Sphinx blade is too light and too rigid to be a defense blade. It's going to easily get knocked back. The ratchet 980 is it's a 9-sided ratchet, so it has good burst resistance, but the 80 height does give it disadvantage. There's no reason you're gonna use 980 over 960. And then gear needle is just needle, but the gears are extended all the way. It's supposed to improve speed, but overall it just does not improve speed. It just causes it to scrape and lose stamina way faster. So yeah, definitely a horrible base, so never buy Cowl Sphinx. In the middle purple, we have Arrow Wizard 480 Gear Ball. So this is just Arrow Wizard, but instead of ball, you have Gear Ball. This is a never buy because you could easily, if you want Arrow Wizard, just get the yellow version that comes with ball and a launcher, although the launcher sucks. The Arrow Wizard blade is really outclassed these days by other stamina and defense blades. 480 is a bad ratchet, and Gear Ball is worse than the regular ball. Ball is good, but Gear Ball is trash because it just causes ball to lose more stamina and speeds it up only a bit. So yeah, if you want a Arrow Wizard, just get the yellow one because at least it comes with a competitive ball. And then last in the never buy, we have the Beat Tyranno 470 Quake and attack type and Knife Shinobi 480 High Needle defense type dual pack. The only competitive part in this dual pack is the Beat Tyranno blade because Beat Tyranno has decent weight and is a good attacker, a smash attacker. But besides that, the other parts are not good. 470 Ratchet's not that good. Quake is a bad bit because it jumps around and although fun to use, it's inconsistent. So you often, when you win, which you only do sometimes, you get it's usually because of luck. And you already saw my Wave 1 video if you watched it. You should if you haven't yet. Knife Shinobi is a bad bait. It's a retool of Horn Rhino, but lighter. And we all know that like 98% of the retool baits are bad. Only like 2 or 3 out of the many are good. The blade is bad, the 480 ratchet is bad, and the high needle bit is bad. So yeah, just never buy this. Don't bother getting the Beat Tyranno blade if it's going to be out this dual pack, because there are better dual packs out there and better attack blades out there, as we'll see later. In the avoid if possible, we have the Gale Wyvern 360 Taper Balance type and Sword Dran 380 Ball Stamina type dual pack. So this one comes with 3 competitive enough parts. The Gale Wyvern blade is trash, that's not competitive. Taper is not that good, it's not competitive. And 380 is trash, it's also not competitive. The competitive parts are first the 360 ratchet on Gale Wyvern because 360 is still a solid ratchet. It's fairly hard to burst, and it's second to 916 burst resistance. And yeah, it can still be used in consistent attack combos. The Sword Dran blade, although I don't see it that much anymore, it still is a good blade because although it's lighter, it still delivers good enough smash attacks with its shape. And yeah, Sword Dran Blade still good. And then you have the ball bit. Ball is great with stamina. So ball is great with stamina. Like I said, with the arrow wizard parts, it helps the base spin for a good while. So yeah, sorry if I'm stuttering. Still a bit annoyed from having to re-record the video. So yeah, the sword Dran blade, the 360 ratchet, and the ball bit are the only good parts you're going to get out of this. The Gale Wyvern blade, the 380, and the taper are the bad parts that you're not going to benefit from. And there are easier ways to get these competitive parts and more beneficial ways, so that's why it's in avoid if possible. But if it's your only option, then yeah, I guess pick it up. There are none in mid/OK. I'm just pointing that out now because in this wave, which is by the way Hasbro's shortest wave with only like 6 products, all the products are either good or bad, and as you can see, most of them are bad. In great buys, you have Buster Dran 160 XL. Before I explain that, you might notice that all the other ones I mentioned were the type called BX. This is and the following wand wizard are UX bays. That means that they have one special specific ability designed to them, which enhances a certain physical power. You'll see what I mean when I explain it. So Buster Dran's UX ability is that it has one giant sword on the blade, and the 160 ratchet also aligned with the blade, so it delivers a high one-hit KO attack. The Buster Dran blade is a good attack blade, like I just said. The giant sword allows for huge hits. However, it's a bit inconsistent because if you don't win in the first like 5 seconds, you lose to a stamina battle. But if you do manage to hit, you will win. 160 is a great ratchet. Although it's one-sided, it's not as off-balance as you think it would be. It's great on those wand wizard / wizard rod 160 hexa combos, and it allows the bait to be stationary in those kinds of combos while being able to deliver a counter attack, and at the same time in attack combos it does really enhance attack power. And for the bit you have Excel. Excel is a decent attack bit. It's fast and it's strong, but it's also can lose control a lot and knock itself out. So Excel isn't used that much, but it is indeed at least a bit usable in attack combos if you can find some way to make sure it doesn't fly out. And yeah, overall, it's a great buy to get Buster Dran, but it's not in must buy because there are better ways to get 160, which is the best part out of this. And now for the only one in must buy. We have Wand Wizard 570 Disc Ball, a stamina type. Buster Dran's an attack type if I didn't mention that yet. Oh wait, I did. Sorry, like I said, it's still a bit annoyed, so I'm kind of losing track here. Anyways, so Wand Wizard. The Blade Wand Wizard is the best blade out there right now because all Wand Wizard's UX ability is that all its centrifugal force is strong, all of the weight's on the outside, which allows the blade to spin for a really long time. The blade, as like I said, since all the metal's on the outside, it does spin for a long time, which is why it used to be used on 960 ball, but now it's used on 160 hexa. And yeah, definitely the best blade out there right now. It has been for like 1-2 years now. That really tells you how good the blade is. 570 is not that good of a ratchet. It's decent enough. And Disc Ball is only good on the Wand Wizard 570 combo, but on other combos it's usually trash because it's going to scrape and lose all the stamina. Although its Life After Death is good in stamina combos. So although the parts are not as good, when they're combined with the Wand Wizard Blade, they do work well together to provide good stamina and good Life After Death, meaning it drifts before it stops, which allows for extra spin. So yeah, it's definitely a must-buy to get the Yellow Wand Wizard. There's actually an even better way to get Wand Wizard, which will be in the next Wave 4 video, so make sure to watch that. So yeah, shortest ranking video I've made. So yeah, let's quickly go over everything. In the must buy, you have the Wand Wizard 570 Disc Ball. In great buys, you have Buster Dran 160 XL. There's none in mid/OK because, like I said, all the products in Wave 3 are either good or bad. In avoid if possible, you have Gale Wyvern 360 taper, and Sword Dran 380 ball dual pack. And in Neverbuy, you have Cowl Sphinx 980 gear needle, Arrow Wizard 480 gear ball, and a Beat Tyranno 470 quake, and Knife Shinobi 480 high needle dual pack. So yeah, that's the Wave 3 ranking. Thank you for watching. I hope you benefit from this. Wave 4 will be out soon. Wave 4 is definitely longer than the other one, so expect a more longer video. But yeah, Fear Night out.